Stick versus rock. Yes, Alfonso here. I got a nice rock. Right here. Chewing on it. You're not supposed to chew on a rock. Just chewing this rock. Nobody better touch it. It's my rock. Get away from my rock. You can play hockey with it. Rock is a lot of fun. No. It's no kind of rock. You ever heard a dog chewing on a rock? It's a stick. Stick. Look at that. You hurt your teeth. I'm talking about a stick. Stick. I had this stick for the whole time. Nobody's messing with my stick. I keep it with me everywhere I go. See, I'm taking the stick with me and my name is Crow. And I'm down with my stick. That's right. Rock. The dumbest, stupid rock. I never heard anything so stupid.
Nobody wants this rock. It's weird to carry a rock around.
Everybody leave me alone. If I like a rock, I like a rock. Look, what do you do with the rock? You pick it up. You take it with you. It's very portable. It slides. It's beautiful. And look, you make a path for it. Oh, all right, I'll try a stick. This once. Hold on, is somebody messing with my rock? Somebody's trying to steal my rock. Well, I'll go check this stick. That's bull.